Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and power. These are the simplest causes of low volume. Check settings to ensure the AirPods show the latest build and charge both buds and case above 50%. Next, clean the mesh gently with a soft brush and inspect the charging contacts. Once done, reconnect to Bluetooth. Make sure to forget the device, then pair again so the system reconnects fresh and clears transient audio routing. Now you adjust settings that often reduce loudness. Turn off volume limit and sound check so the system isn't auto-normalizing output, and center the left-right balance and accessibility to prevent one bud being quieter. Test playback using different apps and a second device to isolate source problems. Once you confirm a low-volume pattern, reset network settings if Bluetooth remains flaky. Make sure to restart both devices between tests so cached audio profiles clear and new profiles load correctly. Finish by performing a factory reset and deeper hardware checks. Place AirPods in the case, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until amber then white flashes, then repair. This clears firmware glitches. Inspect ear fit and swap tips or use accessories to restore a proper seal because a poor seal reduces perceived volume. If you still hear low output, test standard wired headphones to confirm device volume, and if needed, contact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.